Hello everyone. This is Vidushi here, co-founder of Atrangi from Bombay office. Yes, we are having Karwa Chauth special today. We are showcasing Indian earring sets, few of them showing you a glimpse of our new collection, what's going to come in and what you can pre-order with us for Karwa Chauth, for Diwali festival. This is our episode number 25. Hello everyone. I am so glad all of you are in. Hi. So we have a decent number of people to begin with. Let's begin with the combination of Mangtika and earrings. Because in Karwa Chauth, lot of people ask for few options in this kind of combination in Navratna. So this Mangtika earrings, this is for 5450. It's a beautiful combination of Navratna. Then we have in antique gold, we have this combination of ruby pink, magenta pink with mint green beads, a beautiful combination again. This is for 4850. Then we have this set. So this is, guys, just to showcase few pieces in our new collection, because we don't want to extend our live. This is our new collection as well. We had posted this and we got an amazing response, and a lot of people wanted to see live pictures and videos of this set. This is for 12,450. Yes, we will show our overview again. And this I will begin with the studs. These are our Sone Pe Suhaga studs. This is the tray. If you all want to take a screenshot, if you have any queries, anything, please do DM us or WhatsApp us on our number. So this is the Sone Pe Suhaga stud, beautiful, it goes on everything. Again, this is a different kind of stud which looks like this. You want to go a little dressed up for your Diwali function or for your Diwali party, any kind of Indian occasion, you can just wear these. This is again like the color combination of the first stud that we have in ruby and green. This is in moissanite, a beautiful Chandbali, very small one. Again, it goes on everything. Then we have this collection. It's a very premium antique gold kind of moissanite collection. It's beautiful. We have kept in mind, that goes on everything. And, you don't have to invest in a lot of different kind of pieces. So this is a beautiful, real looking piece. If you go to see the finish as well, the shape, it's again stunning. Then again, this is in moissanite. Again, a very, very real look finish. It's all gold plated. It's in 14% silver. It's beautiful. You can see the real finish of this earring. Okay, then again, this is an antique gold with pearl finishing in middle, with lot of pearl drops. The finishing, again, it's beautiful. And a lot of people ask us for real looking pieces. These are, and silver, pure silver pieces. These are kind of pieces which actually looks like, pure silver. These are in polkis. This line is in polki. Again, just for you guys, this is a glimpse that we are sharing. Anything of this you like it, please screenshot it. This is in polki. Again, this is in ruby and green, Chandbali. A very small one, very pretty. Again, you don't have to think on all of these pieces, it goes in all of the outfit. These were the few glints of earrings. Then we have more earrings here. So this is a oversized earring with a kanoti. This is in moissanite, again, a very pretty, with flower petal. It's very pretty. This is for, this is in our Rajwada collection. We are getting a very good response on these earrings offline. So I'm sure people online will also really like this kind of collection. If you want more pieces in this, more options in this, you can screenshot, you can send us pictures, and we'll help you with more kind of options. These are in Sone Pe Suhaga fluorite color, mix of fluorite and Sone Pe Suhaga earrings. These are in moissanite, a very good looking one. This is again one of my favorite, sort of a Chandbali with antique gold finish. I love the pieces that are universal and you can just carry and you don't have to think a lot. This is in moissanite. anything you want me to answer, you guys, please feel free to ask any questions as of now about the material maybe. So this is in gold plated. It's a very pretty good looking Chand Bali. Like, it doesn't look very heavy also, but it has a very clear finishing that we have. This is an antique gold moissanite uncut diamond finish with like beautiful peacocks on the side with ruby and mint blue color. This is for 4250, this particular earring. You can take a screenshot. This is again a very beautiful one. We have made this in like different colors as well. So these are the earrings as of now that we have. Anything you want, please take a screenshot. Now I'll go to the sets. This is an antique gold with fluorite colors in between. These are the earrings with it. Again, it looks very, very beautiful. We are getting again a very good response in terms of fluorite color. Even again, online, offline, both. In fact, we're getting a very good response because the color doublet stone, it's looking beautiful in terms of like your neutral kind of. Then we have this in ruby necklace. This again in antique gold finish. A lot of people ask us for like pendants. So this is again very pretty. Like you can make it as a choker, you can wear it as a necklace. I'm so sorry. It looks really nice. These are the earrings with this. Then in moissanite, I'll show you. Again, you can take a screenshot, you can take a choker, you can take it as a set, as a necklace, long necklace. This is again a very pretty bridal set. If you want to like, combine it both, you can match it with this ring. So we have made this entire like a bridal kind of a set, which you can add ring, Mang Tika with these earrings, all these earrings. It's a very, very pretty moissanite real looking set in mint green. If you want us to customize any beads or anything, we do that as well. You can request us about that as well. This is in our Sone Pe Suhaga collection. This is a choker. Again, we have not put up these on website. These are the newly launched new pieces that have come to the store. And we were very excited to show you guys how these pieces, the finishing has turned out. So, and especially for Karwa Chauth, like, these kind of pieces are really pretty. You can wear it even for like Karwa Chauth or Diwali functions or any Indian party that you go to. This is a ring with it. Like, you can take it, you cannot take it. This is the Mang Tika. We can send you a lot of options. We have a lot of options here. So, you can take a screenshot if you want of any of these pieces. This is an antique gold in ruby. Again, this has this Mang Tika. And you can see the set, like the bangle set that's there here. If you want to match this with the set or like separately. And we have colors in this again. Obviously, we have in red, ruby, like different kind of pieces. This one single kada is for 2450. It has a very detailed finish, a very nice polki with diamonds and green color in between, green stones in between, which looks very pretty and gives a very real look. Then there is this Sone Pe Suhaga collection, which has different kind of bangles. You can ask for pairs. You can ask for the entire chuda. This is kind of a chuda that we had created, like same pieces behind or like different kind of pieces behind. I'll show you the entire set if you are interested in the entire chuda. A lot of people ask us for the options of chuda. Guys, we can mix and match chudas for you and make this entire set. For example, even this is a very nice chuda that, or the combination of bangles that we have. So if you see, this is there on the website also. This is for 3250. This is for 3850 for a pair. Again in rose gold finish. It's a different kind of look and finish in terms of Indian, since it comes in rose gold, and you can like, this is again like in rose gold plating. So looks really real. So these are the bangles that was there. Okay, so now I'll show you these sets in moissanite. This set is for 6950. This is a choker. Again, a very real finish of this in terms of stones, ruby, mint pearls. This is very nice. Even this is a very nice moissanite choker. We were very excited to show you our moissanite collection. This is for 8450. It's a steel with this kind of finish that you are getting in real, real like finish in ruby green. Again, a very, very good looking piece, very dressy piece. This is for 8450. Yeah. Then this is a very nice petite set that we have got, which goes on anything and everything. Again, like you can wear it like on suits, on your saris. This you can either wear like only the necklace sometimes or only the jhumka sometimes. This is only for 2950 and it's a steel with this necklace. It's really pretty. Yes, Aisha, we do ship to Oman. We ship anywhere in the world. Obviously the shipping charges internationally, it's separate. This is for this set again, our Rajwada collection. We have got a very good response. People wanted to see pictures, videos of this set. So this is for 9850. Then again, this is a very pretty Sone Pe Suhaga. Again, a real looking finish, kind of antique gold finish temple jewelry. Very, very pretty. This is for 3850 and these obviously comes with the earrings. Anyone who has joined now and want to see the overview, I'll show you once again quickly the entire live that I had shown, and you can quickly take a screenshot. You can ask us pictures, DM us with any questions that you have. Okay, this is again a moissanite antique gold set with fluorite. I think we really like fluorite because we're getting a good response on it. This is for 5850. It sits as a necklace. It looks really Western as well, like, you know, once you wear. This is one of my favorite choker with all the colors in this. It's beautiful. Again, a very, very real looking finish in antique gold. This is for 8650. And these again obviously comes with earrings. These are the earrings. And I would suggest, if you don't have these colors with you, I would definitely suggest to have this with you in your collection, jewelry collection, since this is one of my, and I mean, it looks really classy with any of the outfits. Like even if you wear with pink, nude, any color, like blue, any color, this will look really nice. This is again a very nice choker in moissanite antique gold. These are the earrings with it. This is for 8250. You can ask us for the worn picture, anything. We'll be happy to help you. My team is already on it. I think they are already replying to a lot of messages on it. Then this is for 9650. This set in antique gold. Again, we have got a very good response, since this is again a very classic kind of piece. This, you can't go wrong with this. And this is a Mangtika. Very, very pretty looking piece. And these are the rings. I'll just go through quickly with few of the Indian rings that we have. Again, very pretty. This one as well in dual. This we have just got few of them as of now, since this is the season time and we had got a lot of requests on the Indian rings collection. Again, this is in moissanite with green stone in middle. And yeah, so I'll quickly, this was the live today, and like people who have just recently joined, I'll just quickly go through the pieces that I had shown. These were the Mangtika earring set. This is the set, and again this was the Mangtika earring set. This was for 4850, 5450. Quickly I'm showing you, since I have already crossed the time and people are joining in. So I wanted to show you quickly. Please take a screenshot. I hope I have done justice to show you each and every piece. This was more or less today's live. I hope you liked our collection. This was our Karwa Chauth live today. I am really glad, and thank you so much each and every one for joining us and showing the same excitement each time that you show. We are so happy, and thank you so much. We've been getting great response, especially in terms of season time. I'm excited to see responses now on our new collection. Any feedback, please do let us know. Thank you. See you guys.